Hey there, road warriors, ready to transform your ride into the ultimate driving machine? Secure your seatbelt because today we're diving into the top car accessories you absolutely need right now. From high-tech gadgets to game-changing add-ons, we've got it all covered. Let's hit the road. Number 10. Solar-powered tire pressure monitoring system. Imagine you're cruising down the highway when suddenly a flat tire strikes. Scary, right? Enter the solar-powered tire pressure monitoring system. This little gem constantly monitors your tire pressure and alerts you when something's amiss. The best part? It's powered by the sun, so you never have to worry about charging it. Modern systems even provide real-time data to your smartphone, keeping you informed at all times. Maintaining proper tire pressure not only prevents blowouts but also increases fuel efficiency and extends tire life. Underinflated tires can reduce fuel economy by up to 3% and contribute to over 11,000 accidents annually in the US alone. Installing a solar-powered tire pressure monitoring system offers convenience, safety, and savings all in one. Number 9. Wireless car vacuum cleaner. Crumbs, dust, and pet hair are your car's worst enemies. But fear not. The wireless car vacuum cleaner is here to save the day. This compact, powerful, and convenient device cleans every nook and cranny without the hassle of cords. With advanced suction technology, it's perfect for car owners who treat their vehicles like a second home. Some models even come with attachments for different surfaces and offer up to 30 minutes of cleaning time. Keeping your car clean isn't just about appearances. Car interiors can harbor dust and allergens that affect your health. A clean car interior enhances your driving experience and can even increase your car's resale value by up to 15%. Say goodbye to mess and hello to a spotless ride. Featuring HEPA filters, these vacuums can capture even the smallest particles, making your car's interior healthier. Number 8. Smart dash cam with AI. Dash cams are a must-have, but a smart dash cam with AI takes things to a whole new level. Not only does it record in crystal clear 4K, but it also uses artificial intelligence to detect potential collisions, lane departures, and even monitor driver fatigue. It's like having a co-pilot who's always on alert. Plus, with cloud storage, you'll never lose a crucial video again. The benefits don't stop there. Advanced dash cams can alert emergency services in case of a severe accident, providing crucial information that can save lives. Dash cams can reduce accident-related disputes by 47%, making them a vital investment for peace of mind. With features like night vision and GPS tracking, you'll have all the evidence you need in case of an incident, ensuring your side of the story is always heard. Number 7. Portable car jump starter. Dead battery? No problem. The portable car jump starter is your new best friend. This compact powerhouse can jumpstart your car in seconds without the need for another vehicle. Equipped with USB ports, it also doubles as a power bank for your devices. And with built-in safety features, it's foolproof. Some models can even jumpstart a 6.0-liter gas engine or a 5.0-liter diesel engine up to 20 times on a single charge. Whether you're on a solo adventure or just heading to work, this gadget ensures you're never left stranded. In 2023, it was reported that 4 out of 10 drivers have experienced a dead battery at least once. Don't be caught off guard. With additional features like LED flashlights and SOS signals, these devices can be lifesavers in emergency situations, providing both power and safety when you need it most. Number 6. HUD-Way Drive Head-Up Display. Futuristic and functional, the HUD-Way Drive Head-Up Display projects all your essential driving info right onto your windshield. Speed, navigation, incoming calls, it's all there, keeping your eyes on the road where they belong. With customizable settings and seamless smartphone integration, this HUD makes every drive feel like you're in a sci-fi movie. Say hello to safer, smarter driving. Head-up displays can reduce reaction times by up to 0.5 seconds, significantly enhancing driving safety. By projecting critical information into your line of sight, HUDs help minimize distractions and keep your focus where it should be. With features like weather updates and speed limit alerts, you'll always be prepared for whatever the road throws at you. Number 5. Next-gen Bluetooth FM transmitter. Turn your old car stereo into a modern audio powerhouse with a next-gen Bluetooth FM transmitter. Stream music, take calls, and even access voice assistants without lifting a finger. This nifty device connects your phone to your car's speakers via Bluetooth, offering hands-free convenience and crystal clear sound. With added features like dual USB charging ports and noise cancellation, it's the ultimate upgrade for your daily commute. In 2024, Bluetooth FM transmitters are predicted to be in over 60% of vehicles worldwide, transforming how we interact with our cars. These devices offer an affordable way to bring modern technology to older vehicles, ensuring you don't miss out on the latest features. With the ability to charge multiple devices simultaneously, you'll always stay connected, no matter where your journey takes you. Number 4. Customizable LED interior lighting. Why settle for a boring interior when you can have a light show? Customizable LED interior lighting kits let you set the mood with a rainbow of colors and effects. Sync the lights to your music, adjust the brightness, and create a vibe that's uniquely you. It's not just about aesthetics. These lights can also enhance visibility inside your car at night. Time to give your ride some serious personality. LED lighting can also reduce eye strain during night driving. A small touch with big benefits. Studies have shown that ambient lighting can improve mood and reduce stress, making your drives not just safer, but more enjoyable. With options ranging from simple plug-and-play kits to fully integrated systems, there's a solution for every car and every driver. Number 3. Wireless phone charging mount. Tired of fumbling with charging cables while driving? Enter the wireless phone charging mount. This genius device holds your phone securely and charges it wirelessly at the same time. With fast charging capabilities and adjustable angles, it's perfect for navigation, hands-free calls, or just keeping your phone juiced up on the go. Sleek, practical, and a total game changer for any tech-savvy driver. By 2024, it's estimated that over 75% of new cars will support wireless charging, making this accessory more relevant than ever. Not only does it reduce clutter in your car, but it also ensures you're always ready for the day ahead. With models that support the latest fast-charging standards, you'll never be caught with a dead phone battery again. Integrated cooling systems prevent overheating, ensuring your devices stay safe and charged. Number 2. Car Wi-Fi hotspot. In our always connected world, having Wi-Fi in your car is a game changer. The latest car Wi-Fi hotspots offer blazing fast internet, letting you stream, browse, and work from anywhere. Perfect for long road trips, business travelers, or just keeping the kids entertained, a car Wi-Fi hotspot ensures you're never out of touch. With easy setup and strong signal strength, it's the ultimate accessory for the modern driver. By the end of 2024, the global car Wi-Fi market is expected to reach $10 billion, highlighting its growing importance. These devices often support multiple devices at once, so everyone in the car can stay connected. With features like data usage monitoring and parental controls, you can ensure a safe and efficient internet experience for all passengers. Number 1. Advanced Driver Assistance System. Topping our list is the Advanced Driver Assistance System. This cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing road safety. ADAS includes features like adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and more. These systems use sensors and cameras to monitor the environment and help prevent accidents. As we move towards autonomous driving, this is a crucial step in making our roads safer and our driving experience smarter. By 2025, this will be in over 50% of all new vehicles, drastically reducing accident rates and saving lives. These systems are not just for luxury cars anymore, they're becoming standard in many mainstream models, making advanced safety accessible to more drivers. With the ability to detect and respond to hazards faster than human reflexes, ADAS can significantly reduce the likelihood of collisions and improve overall road safety. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks, the top car accessories you need right now to upgrade your ride. From safety to convenience to pure fun, these gadgets are designed to make your driving experience better than ever. Whether you're looking to enhance your car's performance, stay connected on the go, or simply make your vehicle more comfortable, these accessories have got you covered. As we continue to innovate and integrate technology into our daily lives, the possibilities for improving our driving experiences are endless. These accessories not only add a touch of modernity and convenience to your vehicle, but also enhance safety, ensuring you and your passengers have the best possible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Stay tuned for our next video where we dive into the latest automotive trends and technologies that are shaping the future of driving. Thanks for watching and safe travels.